Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair Beats Flex earphones to any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you will need to power on your Beats earphones and then move them to the pairing mode. And to do this, you have to click and hold this button with the indicator and wait until the indicator starts blinking. Right now you can release that button. As you can see, we are in the pairing mode. So put them close to your device. If you don't have this automatic connection right here, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. So let's go to the settings, let's go to the Bluetooth, then simply power on Bluetooth on your device. And now just wait until they pop on the other device's list. Select them by tapping once. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.